Hello everyone, Chef Rake here, and welcome back to the YouTube channel for yet another amazing recipe. And today we're going to be making these absolutely delicious ginger snaps. So we're gonna start by combining some all-purpose flour in a large mixing bowl along with some baking soda, some cinnamon, and some cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper just gives it a bit of that heat that is quite necessary, especially for these cookies. Give us a really good mix and set that aside. In the meantime, we can combine some brown sugar and some margarine in a large mixing bowl. You want to just gently mix that together. You don't need to whip anything here. You don't need to incorporate any actual air into this. Despite what I'm saying, I am doing the complete opposite, but it is completely not necessary. I just went a little bit overboard. I don't know why I was feeling so strong. Next, we're gonna add in an egg and give that a really good mix. The temperature of the egg does not matter for this recipe, so you can even pull an egg straight out of the fridge and crack it in, and it really would make a difference. Give that a really good mix, and you want to gently pour over all of your dry ingredients. But first, since I did not have any ginger on hand, any ground ginger, I just took some fresh ginger and crushed it into a fine-ish paste or fine-ish crumbs. But if you like it a little bit finer, please put it in the blender. I could not find the small blender compartment for now, but that is usually what is recommendable if you're using fresh ginger. But if you have ground ginger, that's the most recommendable, because although it's not as punchy with the flavor, you need to add about like 2 teaspoons to 2.5, depending on how gingery you like yours. Fold in your dry ingredients, and then you want to let it chill in the fridge for about an hour minimum, or even up to 2 days, and then in the freezer for up to 3 months. Once it's nice and chill, you want to gently take tablespoons of your dough, roll it in between your 2 palms until you form a nice round ball, and now gently dip the tops in sugar or the whole thing, entirely up to you, and place them on a large baking tray and repeat with the rest. This recipe will give you around 30 cookies, 30 snaps, but if you want to make them bigger, there'll be less, obviously, and if you like to make them smaller, there'll be a lot more. And this recipe is easily doubleable or triple. You can easily double this recipe or triple this recipe, and they'll still turn out super amazing. So once you have all those done, you want to gently press them down with a glass, just to help them spread a little bit more, and bake them in a 180-degree oven for about 13 to 15 minutes. 13 for soft, and then 15 for a bit crunchier, and 14 for almost the best of both worlds. That's personally what I did. And once they're done, serve them immediately. Although they will still be soft and they come out, do not worry, they will harden as they sit. So thank you guys so much for watching this amazing recipe. Hope you like, subscribe, and if you try this recipe out, I'll have my social medias here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll be here next week, same time, same place, every Monday for yet another amazing recipe.